Happy day! Welcome to our ATC video today. Part 12 na po ng ating pinag-aaralang How to File and Pay Your Quarterly Income Tax using the new and revised BIR Form 1701Q under po ng 40% optional standard deduction. At ngayon Part 12 po, isi-summary lang natin yung mga napag-aralan natin ng Part 1 to 11, brief review lang sa ating mga napag-aralan. Okay? So, in our Part 3, matatandaan nyo po na yung ating BIR Form 1701Q ay bago na. Okay? May revision date siya na January 2018 because of our train law, starting 2018, yun na po yung gagamitin natin. Okay? Hindi na po yung old BIR Form 1701Q na may old tax table pa na first bracket, 0 to 10,000 pesos, may babayaran kang income tax na 5%. Whereas, sa ating bagong BIR Form 1701Q, up to 250,000 pesos, wala na po tayong babayarang income tax. Kaya gumamit po tayo ng bagong BIR Form 1701Q. Unfortunately, hindi pa po ito available sa mga EFPS online filers. So, under RMC 32-2018, gagamit daw muna yung mga EFPS filers ng EBIR Form online filing and the manual payment over the counter. Pero pwedeng gumamit ng GCash or ePay para hindi na pumunta sa iba't ibang bangko, pipila, babiyahe ka, maghihintay, wag na. Online na po tayo, online na. And cumulative basis po yung computation ng ating taxable income and tax due. As you remember po in our Part 7 and Part 8 ATC videos, yung second quarter natin, ina-add natin yung first quarter taxable income sa second quarter. Para makuha natin yung cumulative taxable income, yun yung binabangga natin sa tax table natin na up to 250,000 pesos. And kung hindi naman tayo aabot sa 250,000 pesos, cumulative taxable income, wala pa rin tayong babayarang income tax. Okay? Pero kung meron, okay, yung makukuha nating tax due ay cumulative basis din. Pero hindi naman madodoble yung babayaran nating income tax kasi ima-minus natin yung binayaran natin ng first quarter or previous quarter. Pagdating naman ng third quarter, ina-add natin yung first and second quarters taxable income sa third quarter. Pero hindi naman madodoble yung ating babayarang income tax kasi ima-minus natin yung mga nabayaran natin ng first at second quarter. Pero the general rule is cumulative computation. Ang ginagawa ng iba, current computation lang, which is mali. Okay? And just in case you have a branch or branches, congratulations, you are expanding your business. We are helping a lot of people in terms of our employees and by paying our taxes correctly, no? Kaya nga lang po, pagdating sa income tax compliance, isang ITR lang ang gagawin natin. Isang quarterly ITR, isang annual ITR sa lahat ng business establishments natin, consolidating the sales and expenses of branch and head office. Isang ITR lang. Huwag kayong maniwala sa sinasabi ng iba na isang branch, isang quarterly ITR, isang annual ITR. Tapos isa rin sa head office magkahiwalay daw. Huwag kayong maniwala dun. Mali po yun. You may see the RR7 2012. Yung mga student po namin, nandito po yung RR7 2012. You may discuss, you may read dito. Okay? Sa ating RWB book. And saan tayo magbabayad? Sa bangko ng head office natin. Sa AAB ng head office natin. Within the territorial jurisdiction of the RDO of our head office, not branch. Yung head office po, yun yung first business na niregister natin sa BIR na may TIN number, last 3-digit number sa TIN natin na 000. Basta pag merong 0000, sa last 3-digit number ng TIN natin, head office yun. Kapag merong 001, branch yun. Branch number 1. Okay? And wala na po tayong personal exemption na 50,000 pesos starting 2018 because of our train law. Wala na rin po tayong 25,000 pesos additional exemption per child, maximum of 4 children because of our train law starting 2018. Wala na rin tayo yung premiums on health insurance na 2,400 lang annually. Wala na po tayo nun because of our train law. Ang pinalit, this one. Up to 250,000 pesos exempted tayo sa income tax regardless of our marital status, regardless of our number of children, if any. Okay? And do not forget, yung ating accrual and cash basis method of accounting. We highly recommend the cash basis method of accounting para sa mga 40% optional standard deduction kasi i-include lang natin, ilalagay lang natin yung sales natin sa item number 36 kapag may collections tayo, which is equivalent to our collections. Okay? And yung mga babayaran natin, if any, yung babayaran natin income tax, quarterly income tax, if any, do not forget na before file, pay, alamin muna po natin yung mode of filing natin and mode of payment. We have 3 mode of filings, tama? The EFPS, EBIR, and manual filing. Ang EFPS, online filing, online payment, bank to bank. Ang EBIR, online filing, makaka-receive tayo ng tax return receipt confirmation, katibayan na nakapag-submit tayo online, pero manual yung kanyang payment. Pero pwede naman tayo mag-e-pay para hindi na tayo pumila, bumiyahe, at maghintay ng matagal before tayo makapagbayad ng tax natin. Like the Development Bank of the Philippines or the Land Bank, using your credit card and debit card, pati GCash, mag-download kayo ng GCash app sa cellphone nyo, tapos loadan nyo lang, pwede na siyang gamitin pambayad ng tax natin. Okay? And do not forget also to i-attach natin yung mga required. Hindi naman lahat applicable sa atin eh. Yung applicable lang sa atin. Yung mga required attachments na na-discuss natin sa Part 10 ATC video natin. Okay? Part 10 ATC video natin, diniscuss natin yung in details, yung mga iba't ibang required attachments na i-attach natin sa ating quarterly ITR before filing and before payment. And the best of all, do not forget the deadline. Deadline stands for MANA. Pagdating sa income tax, it is MANA. May 15 for the first quarter. Lahat siya tigpi 15, so hindi kayo malilito kanong araw. Okay? First quarter, May 15, malapit na. Second quarter, August 15. Third quarter, November 15. At walang fourth quarter. Pagdating ng fourth quarter, annual ITR na, which is April 15 of the following year, covering the previous calendar year natin. Okay? Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. We hope na natuto kayo, and do not forget our new mindset sa pagbabayad ng buwis, blood donation principle. Huwag niyo po isipin na ang taxes ay burden. Kasi at the end of the day, whether we like it or not, we have to pay our taxes correctly. So magbabayad din naman pala tayo ng tax, why not shift our mindset from burden mindset na traditional into blood donation na nakapag-donate tayo ng dugo, which is we are happy, we are fulfilled, and we are proud. Because part of our hard-earned money ay merong matutulungang ibang tao by paying our taxes correctly. Okay? Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Before we end our ATC video today, our part 12, our topic, we would like to give you a beautiful educational quote. Change your mind and you will change your life. Pagdating sa Philippine Tax Compliance, as we discussed in detail sa part 2 natin, wala tayong takas. Basta nagbi-business ka, required tayo mag-comply sa Bureau of Internal Revenue. No? Instead of isiping burden o pahirap siya, let's take advantage our obligation to comply sa ating Philippine taxation. By thinking na yung ating ginagawa, yung ating binabayarang taxes natin na galing sa hard-earned money natin ay merong matutulungang ibang tao. Tama? Because nagbayad ka ng 10,000 pesos tax, ano na-receive mo? Wala. Diba? Intangible. Ang isipin mo na lang, meron tayong ibang estudyante na pinapaaral, ibang tao na pinapagamot sa mga public hospital, okay? Kasi hindi naman libre ang sweldo ng mga teachers, yung gamit nila, di ba? Finance yan ng ating government. Okay? Yun na lang. Be happy. Instead of isipin natin na burden siya. Besides, at the end of the day, we are on the same boat lang. We are on the same country, Philippines. And let's be part of the progress of our own country. Not for ourselves lang, but for the future next generation of Filipinos. Okay? By paying our taxes correctly. Let's help our own country. Okay? Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. If you have further questions regarding our topic today and other topics, please send your message on our Facebook page, Accounting Tutorial Center. Ito po yung Facebook page natin, Accounting Tutorial Center. Diyan po kayo mag-send. Okay? At sasagot po kami sa mga inquiries nyo. Thank you for inquiring. The after nun, magre-reply kami sa inquiries nyo. Okay? Priority namin yung mga ATC students namin na may RWB book. Accounting Tutorial Center po. And our Facebook group, Real World Bookkeeping, please join now on our Facebook group, Real World Bookkeeping. Okay? Kahit sino po pwede mag-join dyan. May mga helpful files tayo dyan na ina-upload na pwede nyo pong i-download anytime. Like the BIR Citizens Charter, the Taxpayers Rights and Remedies, pagdating po sa Audit Investigation, Taxpayers Bill of Rights, nandiyan na na-download natin. Pwede nyo pong i-upload na natin. Pwede nyo pong i-download yan anytime, anywhere. At join lang po kayo, i-accept po namin kayo. Real World Bookkeeping. And sa mga student po namin ng RWB Book, we have exclusive Facebook group. RWB Book Owners. Join na po kayo. May mga key answers tayong ina-upload dyan na para sa ating RWB Books po. At may mga helpful files din tayo dyan na available sa atin. Okay? RWB Book Owners, sa mga ATC students namin na may RWB Book, join na po kayo. In our YouTube channel, please subscribe now on our YouTube channel for any update of free ATC videos and mga trailers ng ating ATC videos na ginagawa ngayon. Gagawa tayo ng trailer, tapos makikita nyo ano yung mapapag-aaralan natin. Okay? Subscribe na po kayo, Accounting Tutorial Center. Or our Vimeo account, please follow us on our Vimeo account, Accounting Tutorial Center. Kung gusto nyo pong manood ng mga videos, free ATC videos, using our Vimeo. Okay? And online na po tayo sa mga wala pa pong RWB books. Hindi na po tayo nagkakandak ng seminar sa iba't ibang lugar because we have RWB books na. Pero hindi nyo ito babasahin katulad ng ginagawa natin. Hindi natin siya binabasa lang para mapag-aralan. Tinuturo natin siya through online. Katulad ng videos natin ngayon. Okay? Ini-explain natin, dinidiscuss natin, ina-apply natin siya online. So lahat ng RWB books namin ay may free online ATC videos as package na sa ating RWB books. And the investment fees is only 4,999. Ang daming topics nito, hindi lang 1701Q 40%. Meron pang 8%, may option, may itemized deduction pa. Marami pang topic, may expanded, monthly and quarterly. Okay? Doon po namin ituturo sa inyo online. Pero gagamitin natin yung libro natin for application ng contents ng books natin. And kung gusto niyo matuto mag-bookkeeping, paano mag-record ng transactions sa ating books of accounts, meron din po kaming RWB Bookkeeping, how to record your transactions in your books of accounts. Okay? 4,999 din yung investment fees niyan. Kasama na po yung 4 na books of accounts. CRJ, CDJ, GJ, and General Ledger. Isa na rin po, kasama na rin po yung lecture set natin. Meron po tayong mga resibo na gagamitin sa pag-actual record natin ng transactions. And kung gusto nyo matuto kung paano gumawa ng financial statement para sa company nyo, na i-attach natin sa annual ITR, pero hindi applicable yung attachment ng annual financial statement sa annual ITR kung individual taxpayers ka at 40% OSD ang pinili mo or 8% income tax rate. Applicable lang siya sa itemized deduction. Pero kung corporation ka, katulad ng company natin, regardless of the income tax regime, required tayo mag-attach ng financial statement sa ating annual ITR. Okay? Or kung gusto nyo matuto lang kung paano gumawa ng financial statement for management purposes, para malaman natin kung kumikita ba yung business natin o hindi, nag-grow pa yung business natin o hindi, lumalaki ba yung revenue natin o hindi, for our own decision making, like katulad po namin, nag-grow yung ATC in terms of revenues, students, and RWB books. We are planning now to branch out here in Olongapo City, first branch natin, para makater natin yung iba nating ATC students na gusto rin matuto. At kung gusto nila mag-inquire, face-to-face na lang sa mall, Ayala or SM. Okay? Mag-branch out tayo doon. And if you want pre-consultation, face-to-face tayo doon. Okay? Decision making, based on our financial statement, nalaman namin, kumikita yung business natin, and in order to reach out our potential ATC students, tayo mismo ang lalapit sa kanila through branch expansion. O, di ba? In our train law and other tax updates, kung gusto nyo pong matuto ng iba't ibang updates ng train law natin, kagaya ng ano ba yung 8% income tax rate option, ano ba yung magandang gamitin, 8% ba, 40% ba, or itemized deduction, yung tax planning natin, diyan po natin dinidiscuss sa train law and other tax updates. At iba't iba pa. Ano ba yung taxation ngayon sa employees, sa self-employed individuals, tsaka mixed income earner, tsaka aliens, di ba? 4,999 din po yung investment fees sa bawat RWB book natin. If you will get all RWB books natin, 4 RWB books na available, you have 1,000 discount. Okay? And do not forget, if you want to be empowered, hindi natin kailangan ng kakilala sa loob ng BIR in terms of profit. What we need is be educated. Be educated and you will be empowered. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Problem solved. Natuto po tayo kung paano gumawa, mag-fill out, magbayad ng ating quarterly income tax using the new and revised BIR Form 1701Q. At sana po na marami kayo natutunan sa amin. Kung meron po ang karagdagang katanungan regarding our topic today, just send a message lang or inquiry on our Facebook page, Accounting Tutorial Center, at masaya kami tulungan kayo basta you are willing to learn. Okay? Maraming salamat po at mabuhay po tayong lahat. Do not forget yung importanteng tinuro namin, yung part 2 nating ATC video. Huwag po natin pahirapan yung sarili natin by thinking the taxes are burden. Kasi nagnegosyo tayo, it is our privilege to help our fellow Filipino by paying our taxes correctly. Huwag po natin siyang gawing negative thoughts na papahirapan natin yung sarili natin, magkakaroon tayo ng mental illness at magkakasakit tayo kahit wala naman tayong sakit because of negative thinking, negative reaction to our tax compliance. Let's have a positive reaction so that we can have positive results or positive feedback in our life. Okay? Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. I hope natuto po kayo sa ating mga tinuro ngayon. My name is Mark Lordain Bumagat, your RWB speaker always, na laging kasabing, be educated and be empowered. Maraming salamat po. Kita-kits po tayo sa mga other topics natin ng videos applying our RWB book. Bye-bye!